Morning everybody, it's a beautiful Monday morning and I'm not at work, woohoo! So we put the old walking shoes on, come up to Glenridding and we are about to go and bag another 2 Wainwrights. So we left it on 132, so up to 134, we've got another couple of walks planned this week, so morning Ricky.
Lost the map already.
Lost the map, it's lost the map already. Couldn't write it, could you? Take 2. So here we are on a beautiful Monday morning and we are in Glenridding and we have a map.
Again.
And we're on our way up to Glenridding Dodd and over to Sheffield Pike before making our way downwards for a pint. Or 2. It's a very warm, beautiful day, not been out in the mountains for a little bit, so I'm really looking forward to this and hopefully it's a good climb. So I was just saying, it's amazing that even though I haven't walked for quite a while, you managed to actually keep some semblance of fitness, which has surprised me because I thought I'd be blown like an absolute train. Probably am, to be fair, just can't hear it myself. Anyway, I think we're halfway up now to the first one. Is it Glenridding Dodd first, Rick? Up to Glenridding Dodd, so was Glenridding Dodd is a new Wainwright. Wainwright number 215. We'll see it at the top of the dog. So this is the old dog. So how are you finding your fitness, Ricky?
Perfectly fine.
That's not what you just said. Oh.
My fault if you missed it.
Off camera he just said the thing that he's finding is falling over all over the place, but I think that's just age. Come on darling, dodder on.
I said balance, actually, not falling over.
That would be your ballast that's causing irregular balance, darling. Yeah.
So that's the steepest part of the climb over, and now we've just come up to the fork between the two and we're heading off up to the right to Glenridding Dodd first. Ken?
There he is. It's the first cane I've seen for cane. First cake.
That'll be a can.
First cake. Right. I can't talk.
Ken?
Glenridding Dog.
Is that the
cane
on the top of Glenridding Dodd?
Yeah. Oops. Number 133.
What goes up has got to come down. Yeah, we don't lose too much height, but we are just heading down here back now. That's the path we came up, and somehow we've got to zigzag up there somehow. That is Michael from Prudhoe. And we just stopped and had a good 15-minute catch up with him.
I'm in charge of taking the photo.
A lovely guy. He's on his 7th round of Wainwrights, and he's hoping to do 10 rounds in the next 8 years. So fair play to him.
It would appear that we picked the hottest day of the year to get back out. Genius. Great views already though. Oh, somewhere down there's Mackie. Hello Mackie. Whew, it's a little moist. Always amazes me when you come to the mountains how insignificantly tiny we are compared to the world around us. Always makes you feel very humble.
So we've finally found the ridge path. Whew, steep. And now just got the final 500 metres or so to hopefully Sheffield Pike summit. I don't know if you can see it on here, but that's Helvellyn in the distance, the furthest one, not the Cat's Eye Cam just here, but in the far distance. Still snow along the ridge, despite it being 24 degrees, something like that today. I think it's fair to say the going was soft underfoot today. Very, very squelchy.
Oh, racehorse.
Thoroughbred. How rude. Donkey. Hopefully this isn't a false summit and this is the final push.
So the second summit of the day wasn't quite as straightforward as we planned. As I said before, it wouldn't be a day out without us, without losing a map, going the wrong way, etc. But there you go, that is Sheffield Pike. There's a dispute on how many we've done, but it's 130 something in the bag. Well done, Mackie!
Here she comes. Final.
Like a mountain gazelle.
Like an old goat.
Beauty. I'm carrying a few more pounds than last year. Bop. Good. Can I have my dinner now, please?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Oh. Ew.
It's a smelly one, isn't it?
Oh.
Pooh-wee. It's not smell-o-vision.
So filming this just in case. No, slippy, Mackie. Oh.
Et voila.
Et voila. Don't know whether to be disappointed or relieved. It's cost me 250 quid that, but you're not falling in.
I think that's the youth hostel down there. Some idea of the height we've still got to descend down this zigzag path.
You little shadow puppets again. It's been one of those days. Hiya, I'm waving to the pub. It's in the distance. Over there.
Nice levelish concrete road for the last 2 miles.
Can't believe
About the
4
last
cars
2 miles.
went past us and didn't even offer us a lift.
Yeah,
Rude round
rush
here.
hour in Patterdale. And there we go. That's us
Pint shot.
back to the car.
So, just out here after the walk with my pint outside the Patterdale Hotel. No idea what the statistics are because all the technology's died. Brilliant. Good day, good to be back out. 2 things I've learnt today. Number 1, some bogs absolutely stink. Don't know what was going on up there, but it wasn't pretty. And then number 2, with an absence from walking, there's a new affliction you can get called the wobble. And apparently it just means that you can't always stay upright. According to my husband, who was very wobbly. Anyway, it was a good day, great to be back out, and we'll see you all soon.